Hey, what's going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. It's been a hectic day pretty much. Well, at the beginning, before the New York Stock Exchange opened, we did have this actual loss early this morning on Nasdaq. The market was trying to actually push breaking the flag, pretending it was breaking the actual flag. And then after it broke it, you see the market was just a lot of indecision right here, consolidating, and then it started dropping and it's stopping us out on this 5-minute scalp. Just a quick 1 to 2 entry that I was trying to get there. But the price then had, just look at this massive crash, just continue melting. This was early this morning, okay? And right here, this is what we did, okay? This is the actual loss we had today. And after that, just check out this nice entry also we did, and we ended up actually killing it today on Nasdaq, catching that massive entire drop. Well, not the entire drop, I'm already out, but at least this huge 1 to 2 risk to reward. In this point, I did actually send this. By the way, if you're on the free group, on my Telegram group, you can see that I did posted it on the free group, and pretty much from right here, Nasdaq potential sell if it breaks that support. So it just came crashing down immediately with the New York Stock Exchange right there immediately, and actually hitting the TP. Plus, I will show you now what we also caught on US30, because not just Nasdaq. I did also an entry on S&P500, also caught the actual sale right there, and this one in particular was in fact sent to the VIP. And let me show you here, S&P potential sale right there. The price was actually breaking that support. The New York Stock Exchange was about to open somewhere around this area, so we were pretty much on a downtrend, even though I was seeing also a little bullish flag, but the price was failing to continue above. So I decided to go aggressively on a sale and just went down. It just recently hit the actual TP right there. Nice also entry on a sale. And not just that, but also US30, which is the actual sale we currently have. Being honest with you, I'm already out. The price, every time the market hits my first TP, I normally place my stops on break even. So you can see these rejections right here. The price did went up and stopped me out on break even. So I'm already out of this trade. It's fine. I already secured profits on the TP1, and so it's fine for me, since I'm also out on the 2 entries I did also on Nasdaq and S&P 500. At the moment, some of my students are still holding sales even on Nasdaq and S&P 500, and on US30 as well are still holding sales. So this one, it's still an active sale. Look at this setup. This was a really nice setup. I was more into this one than even the Nasdaq or S&P 500, because I was seeing a bunch of things, more confluences here, which is this nice. This is pretty much yesterday. The price was pushing up. As if you saw the live session, there wasn't pretty much yesterday. It was faking me out. We did have losses yesterday, so today we recover. Okay. But it was a nice push after hours. Basically, the market started pushing up. It was getting hectic, a lot of crazy movement yesterday, but then it started pushing up after 11 a.m. in the morning, and all the way to pretty much almost till the market closed. So after that, the Asian session was just consolidating. Right here, you see this drop, big drop, injection of money into the market. This was at London session opening right here. So what the market did, the market broke the psychological level, this 34,000 psychological level. It broke it very strong. Then it came back up for retest. You see, the price was struggling to break above, retesting, and also getting and touching the supply zone. So then this morning the market was somewhere around here. I was thinking that maybe the market would do maybe a double bottom and then start pushing up, and that's also a potential buy. But then also I was seeing that little support right here. So I was thinking, okay, then if I might actually be looking for sales. If it breaks to the downside, I might be going aggressively into a sell. So that's what I did. Basically, the market started breaking the structure. I broke this previous structure and jumping into an actual sell right there. But this setup was definitely nice for sales, okay? Looking, because we were getting below now. The price was getting on top yesterday of the 34,000, but then today in London session it broke below. A lot of money. You see, this is the big institutions getting into sell. Then after a little while the price just started correcting, pulling back, and then coming back down very strong with the New York Stock Exchange opening. So the direction was definitely bearish. Everything was starting to aim to the downside. So let's see if it's going to hit the actual final TP on this one, but it's already a risk-free trade. The market is definitely reaching a previous zone, which is very, very important. Just be careful there if you're holding sales. And but that's it, guys. That's pretty much all the sales, all the setups we had today. It's just 10:28 a.m. It's still early, I would say. You know, we can still spot some other entries, but as I tell my students right now, to try not to get greedy. Try not to be greedy, because you know, this week, this entire week, we're gonna have earnings report on stocks, so it can get very choppy and crazy right now. So just be careful. Nasdaq is the one just going to hell right now. Most likely it's gonna be reaching that 13,000 psychological level. S&P 500, let's see. Yeah, it might also follow that as well and maybe reach the 4,200 psychological level right there. But as I mentioned, other than that, be careful, guys, with the trades. Be careful when holding trades for too long, because things can get, you know, really freaky this week. Okay, so if you're interested in what I'm doing, guys, just check out my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You will find information there about the bundles that I'm offering. If you also want to follow me on my free group, my free Telegram group, you can just check it out in the description below. I do post setups from time to time in there, and most of my setups, like 100% of my setups, are actually going on my VIP signal group. Okay, if you're interested in getting in as part of the bundle, please, you know, check it out. And if you're interested on learning, this is something I highly recommend. If you're only looking for just signals, please no, I don't recommend you getting this. Okay, so that will be all for today, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.